Proven strategies that will help you succeed at email marketing. Have you heard of email marketing, but you do not know what it entails? You are not alone. Many people are not really familiar email marketing. That is about to change for you. In the following video, you will be given methods to assist you in effectively using email marketing to your advantage. When following up to your customers via email, you could try following up with some kind of reminder. For example, you could add a Visit Today button onto your ad. In addition, the closing of the postscript could inform your customers to make sure they do not disregard the CTO. Minimize traditional email marketing activities during the holidays. Customers are preoccupied with family and friends, and are less likely to be paying attention to business email. Your odds of ending up in the spam box are considerably higher, which could have longer-term implications for your bottom line. The major exception to this would be a business directly related to the holiday activities. Otherwise, give yourself a break and enjoy some downtime yourself. Business will be back on track in a day or two. Steer clear of renting or purchasing lists to pad your email marketing database. Not only do you not know if the emails you have purchased are truly your target market, but the list can actually hurt your deliverability rates and ultimately your reputation. As much as possible, build your list organically. While online promotion is essential, don't overlook the opportunity to promote your mailing list offline. To build both new subscribers and potential clients, look for any opportunity possible to get the word out. Some great opportunities to build your business can be found at networking events, trade shows, conferences, and local gatherings. In conclusion, you probably came to this video because you were curious about email marketing and what it entails. Now that you have read the above information, you are on your way to becoming an email marketing expert. You may find that this technique really helps your business or product. Now that you got a clear knowledge about email marketing, are you ready to start? Please don't start without my full free training on email marketing. I will offer you a full $97 training for free just to make sure you succeed. Say thank you by subscribing to my channel and by liking this video. Click the link in the description to access my free full training on email marketing.